Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out this gig on Fiverr. So in this gig, I'm gonna professionally grow and manage Instagram account for 1 month. And then I'll also do the unfollowing at the end. So why you should consider ordering this promotion? So first of all, I'm gonna be doing following, liking, and then unfollowing. So I'll be creating those engagement to people. So this could work for personal account, for business account. If you're trying to grow an app, for example, if you have Instagram for that, this could be also good. If you're trying to bring more traffic to the website, if you have e-commerce store, if you're just personal account bringing more engagement, this promotion could work very well. I'll also target people based on the hashtags, location, and popular account followers. So I grew over 10,000 Instagram accounts over the course of the 4 years. So a lot of experience, a lot of different accounts as well. So if you have any questions or any requests, don't hesitate to contact me first. I'll be very happy to get back to you. Thank you.